wait for some few seconds and then we will start again. Okay. पब्लिक सो रही है. Okay, let it be. We will start and we. Okay, so good morning. Today is a Saturday morning and yeah, we are. It's an amazing day to start our day again with some beautiful fresh air and fresh environment. So close your eyes and your spine should be erect. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the freshness of air. Relax yourself, relax your mind, your body. Take slow and deep breath in and out. It's an amazing way to start your day with joyful, with peace, with happiness. Put a smile on your face and feel the air, feel the movement. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel grateful for this day which you are having today. It's a new version of you and it's a new hope to do something great today. Close your eyes and your spine should be erect. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, now rub your palms. Roll it on your face. Okay, now we will moving forward for some quick warm-up exercises and then we will go for another things. So let's start with neck movement up and down. Stretch your neck properly and slowly. Side to side. Rotate your neck. Reverse in direction. Okay, relax it. Close your eyes and your spine should be erect. Take a deep breath in and out. One more time. One more. Okay. Now rub your palms again and roll it on your face. Okay guys, now shake your hands. Rotate your wrist. Both the direction. Sideward. Reverse it. Upward. Reverse it. Okay. Now expand your chest. Okay. Now stretch your shoulder and side. The other one. Okay. Now rotate your shoulders. Reverse it. Okay, let it be relaxed. Now sit on your knees. And crisscross your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sideward. Rotate fully. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 3, 4, 5. Reverse it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now upward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Reverse it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20. Okay, relax it, let it be. Now close your eyes and make sure that your spine should be erect. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out slowly. Relax yourself, relax your mind and body. Feel the air traveling through your body. Feel the movement. Relax. Take a deep breath in and out again. Okay. Now we are getting for Anulom Vilom. 3 sets each of 30 seconds. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be. Relax. Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. One more time. One more. Okay, guys, now we will moving forward for second one. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be. Relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Now getting for the last set, guys. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, relax it, let it be. Take a normal breath in and out. Okay, not to close your eyes, be in the same moment. Now we are getting for Kapal Bharti. So again, close your eyes and your spine should be erect. And yes, guys, feel fresh and feel healthy, happy today, as it is a new beginning, new day. It's a new version of you guys. Don't take every morning as a granted. You have to believe that it's a new hope, new beginning, and a new version of you also. So take a deep breath in and out. One more time. Okay. Now we are getting for Kapal Bharti. While doing it, squeeze your stomach as possible as and do it more effectively so that you will be benefited more. So yeah, three, two, one, and start. Relax it, let it be. Take a normal breath in and out. One more time. Okay, now moving forward for second set. So three, two, one, and start. Relax. Take a deep breath in and out. Now getting for the third set, guys. So three, two, one, and start it. Relax it, let it be. Take a normal breath in and out. Rub your palms again. And roll it on face. Okay, guys, now we will move forward for Bhastrika. 30 seconds of 2 sets and then 1 minute slow, medium, and fast breath. So take your position. 3, 2, 1, and start. Let it be relaxing. Okay. Now moving forward for second set. Take your position and 3, 2, 1, and go. Relax it. breath in and out. Relax yourself, relax your mind. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now rub your palms. Roll it on over your face. Yeah, okay guys. Now we will move forward for Brahmari. So okay. Sorry. Third set I missed. We will go for it. Slow, medium, and fast breath. So close your eyes and your spine should be erect. 3, 2, 1, and go for it, guys. Take a deep breath in and out from your nose, and yeah. Go for medium pace.
You're sensitive to other people's negative energy.
Fast pace. Okay, relax it. Take a normal breath in and out. Okay, rub your palms. Roll it over your face. Okay. Now we will move forward for first diaphragmatic, then we will go for Brahmari. Yeah. 3. So take your position, one hand on your chest and another on your stomach. And 3, 2, 1, and start. Relax. Now moving for second set. Take your position and 3, 2, 1, and go for it. Relax. Take a normal deep breath in and out. Now moving forward for third set. So take your position and 3, 2, 1, and start. Relax it. Take a normal breath in and out. Be in the same position for few more seconds, guys. Try to relax yourself and meditate yourself. Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Completely relax yourself, calm yourself, relax your body. And feel the morning fresh environment, fresh air traveling through your body. If any thoughts try to enter your mind, so relax it and be in the present moment. Feel the air, feel the fresh air in the morning. Just calm yourself and relax your body. Try to be in the present moment, guys. Relax. Okay, now take a deep breath in and out. One more time. One more. Now rub your palms. And roll it over your face. Okay, guys, it is really a pretty good thing to do in morning in fresh environment, to take some fresh air daily, at least for 20 to 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Now we will moving forward for Brahmari. So close your ears with your thumbs, place it and do like that. We have to do, we will do it for 10 times and then again we'll back in our current position, okay? So take your position and 3, 2, 1 and start. If completed, then we'll back in current position. Close your eyes and your spine should be erect. Take a normal deep breath in and out. Now rub your palms, roll it over your face. Okay, guys, we have 9 minutes. We will go for Gomukhasan. And okay, so take your position, one leg over another. I think you know how to do it. Okay. Now, one hand, right hand go up and left from behind. Close your eyes and hold it for a few seconds. Okay, let it be, relax it. Now, second one, another leg. Left one over the right, and you have to, your left hand should go up and right from behind. Try to touch. Hold it for a few seconds, guys. Don't give up. Take a breath in and out. Hold it. Try to touch your hands. Okay, relax it, let it be. Yeah, now we will go for, we have only 7 minutes, so now we will go for nail rubbing. Sit on Vajrasan. And rub your nails. Rub it gently. It is actually one of the great exercise for our nails and hairs. We have to do it regularly. At least in a day, we have to do it 3 to 4 times. It will not take more time. Just 1 minute or 5 minutes is enough to do it. We are getting result while after doing this one, but everyone wants a quick result. Don't have patience to do, but we have to. Whenever you are free, try to do this exercise. It is really helpful for our hairs, scalp and nails. And as nowadays so many people are facing hair related issues, so try to do it. Okay, rub it. Do like that. Interlock your fingers. Rub your palms again. Roll it on your face. Okay. We have 3 minutes. Yes, guys, anyone want to share anything? Sanjog, Drishti, Shashi. How are you, Shashi, now?
Not so good, but see, hoping for the best.
Yeah. We'll recover quickly. No worries. Just don't take more tension. If you take tension, then it will take more time to be normal. So, not to worry more.
Yeah. It's day 8 now. So I have more 5 or 6 days are there to go on. So yes, let's see.
Yeah.
Like issue is with the cough only, nothing else. Like everything is going good, just cough is there, na? That is affecting more. And doing these pranayams are not often, like you can't do it easily. During this like COVID, now you can't do it very easily. Doing like one two pranayam will make you whole sweaty.
Yeah,
So it's
you
difficult.
can't do more exercises. Only breathing related exercises and small exercises you have to do now. If you take hard one, then it will not okay. So do normal exercises, pranayams and breathing related exercises. Avoid more.
Thanks for organizing.
Yeah, and take daily. I already told you some ginger and tulsi karas. Daily you have to take 3 times at least. It will recover you faster.
Yeah, I'm taking.
Okay, guys.
I'm taking it. From yesterday.
Okay, then.
Thanks, Deepali. Thanks everyone for that.
Bye bye.
Yeah, we will meet tomorrow again. Bye.